Odoo 19 accounting tutorial. So basically, walkthrough or just an explanation on what accounting app in Odoo 19 can pretty much do for you, since it's a broad app you can go ahead and explore. But as for now, what you should be able to do as a beginner. So first of all, go ahead to your Odoo 19, go to your preferred browser, but as long as you get into your Odoo account, you can log in and get there. So over in your Odoo, go to your accounting app, and once you're there, you will be able to go with an initial setup. So when you first open accounting, you'll see an onboarding banner with setup steps. So just go ahead and follow the steps itself to configure your basic accounting settings, like the fiscal years. You also have the opening dates, tax period settings, and pretty much more. So follow the steps so that it will configure how Odoo will handle your accounting details. So put in mind that there's also this over here. Right before you even start your Odoo account, there's lots of things you can explore, features you can take a look at, and basically a slight explanation on how each and every single feature inside the accounting app works. But for now, we're just going to explain that what some of these can do. So you have the configuration chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is one of the backbones of your accounting system. It pretty much defines how financial transactions are categorized. So you can go ahead to the configuration and then chart of accounts. You can add or edit accounts based on your business requirements. Also, before anything else, you can always go ahead and do a free trial. Just go ahead here, press and start now, and you should be able to test the accounting app to see if it is to your own preference. You can go ahead and try most of the features all for free, and if it's worth it, you can go ahead and purchase the specific app itself. Since here you can go ahead and directly create invoices. You can do this to bill your customers. You can enter vendor bills. So for supplier invoices, you can do this on the accounting app. You can create a new bill and add vendor details and bill lines, confirm and validate them, since the bills create corresponding payable entries which are just ready for payment. You can record these said payments, and then open the confirm invoice. You can click register payment and then choose the payment method and bank account. So the payments will mark invoices as paid and post the transaction in your ledger. So other than that, you can run those financial reports and make use of the automations and advanced features that Odoo 19 of the accounting app has for you. So you can always set your fiscal years and periods before entering transactions, which will ensure accurate reporting. But again, you can always go ahead and explore the dashboard of accounting itself, since that's one of the best ways you can learn on what it can do for you. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.